Everybody, as we are aware that plants are all around us, and this is an important part of the ecosystem for the survival, and we get oxygen from the plant. You are aware of it. Different color of plants, flowers and plants are available all around us. As we see, we are thankful to them so that we are getting clean air, fresh air and oxygen. So most of the needs are fulfilled by the plants. You know the parts of the plant? Yes. For example, here, this plant stem, you can see, and this is stem, and the roots are under the soil. Roots are holding the soil firmly, okay, and they are absorbing the nutrient from the soil and taking the nutrient. And this stem, and these are branches are coming out, more branches you can see, and then these leaves are there, green color of the leaf. Why they are in green color? Because of the presence of green, that is pigment called chlorophyll. How they make their food? Plant make their food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air they are taking, and nutrient from the soil they are taking, and the leaves are making the food. Like we are making food in kitchen, but they are making food from the leaves. So leaves are also called the food factory of plant. Now what are the parts of the plant? So we have seen that root, stem, branches, leaf. These are buds. They will become flower. You can see here flower, and fruit. These are fruits. Okay, and inside the fruit, seed will be there. And when they seed again fall on the ground, they get dispersed and new plant grows of the same type. That is the germination of the seed due to the dispersal of the seed from one place to other through wind, water or any other means like animals. So you can identify the various part of plant very easily and label them. Okay, now do you know the part of a flower? Can you tell me the part of the flower? Here, the stalk. These are the sepals. These are sepals. Okay, and above that, petals. These are the colorful part of the flower. These are called petals. And you can see here these tower like. So these are the pistils. Okay, and pistil, and above that anther, and over that stigma, and in that stigma this small powder like things you can see, yellow colored or any other color. These are called pollen grains over the stigma. Okay, so these pollen grains fly through the air because of the wind. They go from one place to other plant and pollination takes place. New flower, new plant of same type we can get, or different type by cross pollination. You will study it. Okay, so these are the part of the flower. Can you tell me the use of the flower? So we get medicine also, we get colors also, aroma also, different type of scents are made, correct? So find out the uses of the part of all these. So can you tell me the function of the root? So root hold the plant firmly to the soil, otherwise they will fall, and they are holding the soil also. This helps in the soil, reducing the soil erosion. Otherwise the soil will be moving from one place to other due to the water, and they are taking the nutrient from the soil. So let's see the stem. Because of that they are standing firmly, otherwise they may fall. And they are transporting the water from the root, taking it through the stem to the various part of the plant. So by this way the water is transported through the capillaries. Small pipes are there. Yes, we call it capillary. This is capillary action through which the water is transported to the top of the plant to various part to the leaf. So all of you can understand the importance of plant and their functions. Similarly, you can write the functions of leaf. What are the functions of the leaf? Leaf exchange the oxygen and carbon dioxide. They give us oxygen and they take the carbon dioxide from the air. Can you tell me the name of the small pores which are present on the surface of the leaf? Correct. This is stomata. Stomata. These are the small openings through which the gases exchange. Like the pores in our body, when we are running, playing, sweating, the sweat is coming out through small pores we cannot see. Similarly, here also the leaves have small pores which we call stomata, and from this opening the exchange of the gases takes place. Part of the leaf, like any other plant, you can see here the leaves were very small. Now other plant you can see like here. So this is the lamina, the whole part, and this is the midrib. This is the mid part, so we call it midrib. Okay, this is leaf blade, like a blade, the sharp edge, we call it leaf blade. And here the small pores are there which we cannot see through our naked eyes. These are called stomata. Correct. And the veins are there, like arteries and veins are there in our body for transporting the bloods. Similarly here is the part of the leaf and axil. Okay, so we will revise all these things. Based on that, you have to write down name of any 5 plant around you, label them, color them, and write their uses. Okay, thank you very much.